Wood furniture has been a staple in human civilization for centuries, and its importance continues to resonate in our lives today. The presence of wood furniture in our homes and workplaces transcends mere functionality. It embodies a rich interplay of aesthetic value, emotional resonance, cultural significance, and environmental considerations. Understanding the multifaceted importance of wood furniture allows us to appreciate its role in shaping our living spaces and influencing our daily experiences. One of the most significant aspects of wood furniture is its durability and strength. Quality wood has an innate ability to withstand the test of time, making it a wise investment for households and businesses alike. Unlike many synthetic materials that may wear down or degrade over time, solid wood pieces can last for generations, often becoming heirlooms passed down through families. This longevity not only represents financial prudence, but also contributes to a sustainable lifestyle. When we choose durable wood furniture, we reduce the frequency of replacements, thus minimizing waste and contributing to a more sustainable future. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The aesthetic appeal of wood furniture is another crucial factor in its importance. The natural grain, rich colors, and unique textures of wood create a warm and inviting atmosphere in any space. Wood has an organic beauty that can soften the starkness of modern design, providing a sense of comfort and familiarity. This aesthetic quality is particularly significant in creating environments that foster relaxation and well-being. Whether it's a beautifully crafted dining table that serves as the centerpiece for family gatherings or a cozy wooden chair that invites you to sit and unwind, wood furniture enriches our surroundings and enhances our emotional experiences. Moreover, wood furniture plays a substantial role in our psychological well-being. Studies have shown that natural materials, including wood, can have a positive impact on mood and mental health. The warmth and tactile quality of wood can evoke feelings of calm and comfort, creating spaces that nurture our mental and emotional state. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and synthetic materials, the use of wood can provide a much-needed connection to nature. This connection can foster a sense of tranquility and grounding, offering a respite from the fast-paced, often chaotic nature of modern life. Wood furniture also carries cultural and historical significance. Different cultures around the world have unique woodworking traditions that reflect their values, beliefs, and craftsmanship. The styles and techniques used in wood furniture can tell stories about a community's heritage and identity. For instance, handcrafted pieces often embody the skills and artistry of artisans who pour their heart and soul into their creations. By incorporating wood furniture into our homes, we are not just filling a space. We are also honoring the craftsmanship and cultural narratives that have shaped these pieces over time. In addition to its aesthetic and cultural importance, wood furniture promotes functionality and versatility. Wood can be crafted into a wide array of shapes and designs to meet various needs, from ergonomic office chairs to elegant dining tables. This adaptability makes wood an ideal choice for modern living, where spaces often need to serve multiple purposes. Furthermore, many wood pieces are designed with multi-functionality in mind, allowing us to maximize our living spaces without sacrificing style. This practicality is especially valuable in urban environments, where space can be limited. Another vital aspect of wood furniture is its environmental impact. As sustainability becomes a growing concern, the choice of materials in our homes becomes increasingly significant. Wood, when sourced responsibly, is a renewable resource that can align with eco-friendly practices. Sustainable forestry initiatives ensure that trees are harvested in a way that protects ecosystems and maintains biodiversity. By choosing wood furniture from sustainable sources, individuals can contribute to environmental conservation while enjoying the natural beauty and functionality that wood offers. The emotional connection that individuals often develop with wood furniture should not be overlooked. Many people associate wooden pieces with memories, family gatherings, and cherished moments. The presence of wood in our homes can evoke feelings of nostalgia and belonging, enhancing the overall atmosphere of a space. This emotional resonance can create a sense of comfort and security, making a house feel more like a home. By surrounding ourselves with wood furniture that carries personal significance, we can cultivate an environment that nurtures relationships and fosters a sense of community. Moreover, the tactile qualities of wood enhance our interaction with our surroundings. The warmth and texture of wood invite touch and engagement, creating an environment that feels alive and inviting. This tactile experience can have a profound impact on our daily lives, influencing how we feel in our spaces. In contrast to cold, synthetic materials, wood offers a sensory richness that can elevate our experience of a room. The ability to engage with our environment through touch and feel contributes to a more holistic experience of home and comfort. The economic impact of wood furniture also plays a significant role in its importance. The woodworking industry provides numerous jobs, from artisans and craftsmen to factory workers and suppliers. By supporting local artisans and sustainable businesses, consumers can contribute to their communities and foster economic growth. This connection between wood furniture and local economies underscores the broader significance of our purchasing choices. When we invest in wood furniture, we are not just making a personal choice. We are also supporting livelihoods and promoting craftsmanship. In terms of maintenance, wood furniture often proves to be relatively easy to care for. With proper care and attention, wood pieces can retain their beauty and functionality for many years. Regular cleaning and occasional polishing can keep wood looking its best, and minor scratches can often be easily repaired. This practicality makes wood furniture a desirable choice for busy households, where the focus is often on creating a beautiful yet functional living space. In a world where convenience is key, the ease of maintaining wood furniture adds to its appeal. The psychological benefits of incorporating wood furniture into our lives extend beyond mere aesthetics. Engaging with natural materials has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The presence of wood can create a calming environment, encouraging mindfulness and a sense of well-being. This is particularly important in areas of the home designated for self-care, such as bedrooms and living spaces. By surrounding ourselves with wood furniture, we can cultivate an environment that fosters mental clarity and emotional balance. Furthermore, the uniqueness of wood pieces contributes to their importance in our lives. No two wooden items are alike. Each carries its own distinct grain, color, and texture. This individuality allows for a curated home environment that feels authentic and personal. In an era of mass production, the uniqueness of wood furniture stands out, offering a sense of character and charm that is often lacking in generic, factory-made items. This distinctiveness can enhance the overall ambience of a space, making it feel more inviting and reflective of our personalities. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for home decor on a budget. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.